Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Can you give me a hand?
What do you want me to do?
Ta-da! Time for your birthday present! Wow! For me?
Kiss the pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had.
Yo!
I'm gonna make you scream! Ah!
the same.
We are not the same. Understand? Now get out.
How could a car like you quit at the top?
Wipe the wall of tires. They say, look at me. Here I am.
Basing this on a what if? Okay, that's it. Wait, somebody save me! I could use a little hose down. Help me wash this off. Where's he?
Kijk dan goed uit. Het spooklicht kan overal zijn.
Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about. Hey, how come the only one celebrating?
Sí, bajar las ruedas. Wow, sí, grandioso, sí.
Right here.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. The queen is very sad. It was a great movie. Hey! Vito! It's not. Aha!
And down the stretch they come, and
It's too close to... Man, thanks for being my pit crew today.
Don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do.
Deploying shield.
stop by New Orleans for some of that sweet jazz, baby.
What have I got?
It's okay.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
Oh, nice costume. Come here, let's get a picture. It's so great to meet my #1 fan.
Number was McQueen's idea. He would have wanted you to have it.
I love it.
Turn right to go left.
That doesn't make any sense.
The Honorable Doc Hudson presiding. Show off. May Doc have mercy on.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah!
to interrupt.
No, it's all right.
Gold, but
I hope you win today. Show the world.
made Dinoco proud. Thank you, King.
Well, Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's a...
miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man, now I got dirt in my rim!
Tell you, man, every third blink is slower.
¡Hay que ir recto! ¡Ya hoy es suficiente!